Of the things that are, God has put some under our control and some not. The best and most important thing is under our control and the basis of God's own well-being, the use of external impressions. Rightly used, this leads to freedom, serenity, happiness, and satisfaction. It is also the source of justice, law, restraint, and virtue in general. He did not put anything else under our control. So we should support God by making the same distinction and doing everything to lay claim to what is in our control, while surrendering what is not to the care of the universe. Whether it asks for our children, our homeland, our body, or anything else, resign it gracefully.